Okay, if you are struggling like me with fine thinning curls that used to be thick once upon a time, and you don't like the feeling of volume products because they make your hair feel dry to the touch, I think I found our answer. Are you ready? Let's do this. Well, hello, my curlies. Erica, your curl dresser here. I am bringing you the Curlsmith Volume Recipe line, albeit 9 months late. I'm always late to the party, I know. All of these new products that keep surfacing, I'd like to bring them to you before anyone else. I, of course, purchased all of it when they had their Black Friday sale. There are 3 products in the Curl Recipe line that I did not get. One was their full body weightless cleanser. The other was their milk conditioner. And the third product I did not get is their Root Boost Uplifting Spray. And that's a spray that you spray directly on the root area. We are going to be using the 3 items that I did purchase. The Hydrate and Plump Leave-In Conditioner, their Full Body Volumizing Lotion, and the Invincible Volume Mousse. Now, what I'm trying to decide is, do I do the lotion on one side and the mousse on the other? I've never done the lotion alone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the leave-in conditioner all over my head, and then I think I'll do the lotion on the right side, which is my light side, and I am going to do the mousse on the other. I have done both the lotion and the mousse, and I've done just the mousse itself, but I have not done just the lotion itself. So this will be fun. We'll start with their Hydrate and Plump Leave-In Conditioner. This nourishes the cortex to plump hair and boost volume. Start with a dime size amount and then add more if needed. I'm going to take sections like they suggest, and I'm going to be clipping it with the new COLORTRAK rubberized alligator clamps that my daughter bought me. Much prettier than those orange ones, although the orange looks good on me. So yes, these are the clips that I had recommended to everyone. Soaking wet. Let's get the hair soaking wet. Now, my hair did dry while I was doing my makeup, so it feels a little drier than it normally would when I would immediately put in the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to rake it through. Do we need more water? Really doesn't feel soaking wet. And for the second, oops. Now they do say that a little goes a long way, and yes it does when my hair is fresh out of the shower with the water in it. Once it dried, I'm not getting that same feeling like I do when I use the one pump right out of the shower. So that is just something to keep in mind. Now this is rich in ivy leaf and jojoba that they use for moisture. It also uses watercress, and they found that watercress does help in thickening the hair shaft. They also use a unique plant-based stem cell complex. This is a blend of olive stem cell extract and linden buds. And all of these combined together goes deep into the cortex, and it helps to plump the hair from the inside. It is supposed to provide immediate and long-lasting volume, fuller, thicker, and bouncier curls. It gently moisturizes, while they say that it increases the volume by 153%. Now, of course, this is when you're using the entire combination with the shampoo and conditioner that I don't have. It is meant for all curl types, but they do say that it's more beneficial for someone who has fine, lifeless hair. But anyone that does have a more coarse texture, they can use it too. Now the directions, as you saw, was to section hair, use a dime size amount to start with. I wound up adding extra, yes I did. Rake it through the sections, and the reason they say to use the praying hands method is so that you're smoothing the cuticle closed. And then you move on to your favorite styler. If you enjoy watching my content, while you're watching, give it a thumbs up down below for me. Much appreciated. Now for the full body volumizing lotion. This is a lightweight volumizing lotion. This has a 2 hold, which they consider invisible hold. This is supposed to give you instant volume with airy definition. Oh, wait, we were going to do half my hair, right? Yay, we were going to do half my hair. I think we need to use one more pump. And again, you are supposed to be raking this through soaking wet hair. They use rosemary and Scots pine bud. Both of these are antioxidants. I feel like I should put a little more just in this back section, especially since I'm only using this on the side. And they also use watercress, which, as we said, helps to thicken the hair shaft from the inside. And they use their stem cell complex. So if you don't like the feel of product in your hair, that's the people who should use the lotion, apparently, because of that to hold. So if you don't like the feeling of product, this may be your gal. It creates natural body and movement, and it isn't supposed to leave your hair sticky. It doesn't feel sticky yet. This increases volume by 68%, again, when it's used in conjunction with their shampoo and conditioner that I don't have. And probably their root boost. Supposed to leave your curls silky smooth and soft to the touch with lasting volume. I'll believe it when I see it. It's good for all curl types and thicknesses. But of course, it's best suited for that fine hair. Now, if you have medium to thick hair, you can use it also. If your hair needs that extra definition or lift so it's not flat, and they say it can be a standalone, but, if you want stronger curl definition, they suggest layering the Hydro Style Jelly, then air dry or diffuse. So if you need extra control on your ends, because the ends are the oldest and the driest, you can use that to really lock in the moisture and prevent the frizz. And of course, with all their products, you rake, and then they like when you use the praying hands method, and then coax your hair back into a curl. Now, the third product that I got from them is their Invincible Volume Mousse, and this has a medium hold of 6. You're supposed to shake this before you squirt it into your hand. A golf ball size amount for fine hair, and 2 to 3 golf ball size amounts if you have thick, coarse, or longer hair. This is a lightweight gel to mousse that creates soft, long-lasting, and voluminous curls. Now, this is designed specifically for curly hair without any drying alcohol. So this gives you the definition and hold of a gel with the lightweight feeling of a mousse. It's extremely creamly. It's extremely creamy. It's extremely creamy. This has their stem cell complex in it, as well as chamomile flower, ivy leaf, and linseed. This is supposed to boost volume for all types of curls, coils, and waves. And the body and the fullness is supposed to last up to 72 hours. I actually did have pretty full, thick hair for a few days after I used this. This is supposed to provide long-lasting curl definition, volume up to 203%. And it's supposed to preserve the curl shape and definition all day long. And who is it for? All curl types, my girls and guys. If you've got waves, curls, or coils, it's for you. They do say that if you want added definition and better humidity control, that you can layer over either their shine jelly or the in-shower style fixer. And that should help lock in all of the moisture to keep you from frizzing. Now, I'm wondering if I should add a little bit of the shine jelly since it's snowing out. Why not? Good night. Yeah, this is a last minute edition, my girls and guys. I'm going to flip, and I'm just going to do it on the ends. Before I come back up, I'm going to put my hair into a better position. Because my hair is very cold, I'm pulsing to try to force the curl back in without causing too much frizz. Well, as you can see, I've set my hair up to blow dry because, of course, I always diffuse. I don't like to air dry. One of the reasons that people with fine hair who want volume should not air dry is because you don't get any lift. Remember that your hair is wet and it has product in it, so it's hanging, and it hangs heavy. And that is going to pull out your curls because we have so much crap in our hair. So in all honesty, when you diffuse, you're really giving your curls a lot more volume and a lot more bounce because you're taking all of that heaviness away from it. And because I know that everyone is going to ask, well, what does it smell like? I actually like it. It's a light floral fragrance, okay? It's really not heavy because I don't like floral. I don't like frou-frou. But this is a blend of dragon fruit, ginger, and apple. So it's light, it's clean, and it's not obnoxious. At least not to me. I don't have many fun cuts. So I am going to jump off and I'm going to go diffuse with the Bellissima Diphone Supreme Diffuser. I am going to be trying another diffusing dryer for you. That's coming up in a few weeks. You are going to want to stick around and see how voluminous my curls are. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I am dry. I put some clips back in to kind of keep things up. Do we want to see it before I decrunchify? Right there, decrunchify. My word. I feel like I haven't used it in a while. The side with the mousse definitely feels firm, where the side with the lotion is definitely a softer feel. Now, I did put the Shine Jelly, which is a 6, but just the ends feel a little firmer, but the rest of it inside feels very soft and smooth. I definitely have volume. And I've been upright for a while. You should have seen what I looked like when I came up. I was like, holy crap. Neither side feels sticky. Nothing feels bad. It's a decent feeling for a volumizing line because I tend to not like those volumizing lines because they make my hair feel dry to the touch. This isn't as bad, so I can handle this. And my curls look cute. I'm cute. She thinks I'm cute. Now, of course, because I do not have Curlsmith's oil, I'll be using INNERSENSE Organic Beauty I Create Shine. I like this because of the lotus flower smell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y'all make fun of me. Emulsify. See, but it doesn't even look like it's that much. That's why I always use more. I know I'm going to use more. I'm going to flip. I'm doing the canopy first because the canopy is always the driest looking, and I definitely need more. Don't yell at me. Never yell at your curl dresser. And I'm just gently squeezing so as to not create frizz. Wiping my hands off on the underside of my hair. Now, all the oil is gone, so I am going to gently fluff the scalp, break up any clumps that are not going to have me looking full and luscious. Oh, are we ready, girls and guys? Let's hope I didn't frizz myself. Oh, crazy. I hate how I don't get volume when I pour down the center. And that's for all of my new curlies. I hate this. I hate when I'm pouring down the center. But I do it because I love you. I honestly cannot believe the volume I get from the Volume Recipe line. I really should have tried their shampoo, conditioner, and root boost. Yes, a slight lighting change. Let's take a look and see what we think now that it's decrunchified. I think I needed a little bit more of the lotion on my right side. I really like the way the left side looks. Personally, I think I don't like the hold of the number 2. It's a little more frizzy than I would like. But I think I got more volume when I used the combination of the lotion and the mousse together. So I think I might have to try that again for you when I do another video of something else. I'll have to do the both of them and then we'll have to compare and see what we think. If you've already tried the Curlsmith Volume Recipe line, let me know if you liked it down in the comments. Did you like it as much for you as we like it on me? I mean, I'm impressed. And I'm a tough cookie. So let me know what you guys thought of it. I am an affiliate for Curlsmith. I will have my affiliate link down below. And yes, I receive a small commission when you make a purchase. But I appreciate the trust that you put in me in order to make these purchases. That's why I do what I do, my curlies. If you know anyone with curls, coils, waves, and they need volume, please share my video with them. YouTube likes to see people sharing because sharing is caring. I will also have the INNERSENSE Organic Beauty I Create Shine link down below in case you want to try theirs, as well as the rubberized alligator clips, or CROC clips as they call them. If you've been afraid to try the Curlsmith, hopefully this gave you some extra info so that maybe you're not going to be so shy to try it. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell for all notifications. Let's get me to 2,000 subscribers. Until my next video, cheers and ciao for now. I did not get their full body weightless cleanser or their curl conditioner or their root boost uplifting spray. Oh, I should have wet my hair down. Crap. Damn it. Dumbass. What I'm going to do, my father heard this, he would be horrified. Let's see. Oh, that was my ankle. I don't know if you could hear it. The reason they use this is so that you are smoothing, moving right along. They use, I am really not doing anything good here. Now, I don't have many fun cuts. Keep drinking air. I like this because of the lotus spout. Lotus. I love my curlies. I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking. Send them share my video with them. Is that it? Cheers. Oh no. Cheers.